Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install applications on your TCL TV. To install any app, we're gonna have to access the Play Store, navigate to the apps icon on your home screen, press OK, then select Get More Apps option, which will get you to the Google Play Store. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet, by the way, because we're gonna need it to download an application. And now you can select one of the applications you see right here. They are all categorized. You can also find games for your TV right here in the respective menus. You can also switch to the games store by navigating to the top bar of this application and switching to games. Or you can also navigate to search bar, then select the search bar and enter the application name, the name of the application that you want to download. Then once you see your application in the related results list, you can press search, then select the application that you want to download, select install, and wait until this application is downloaded and installed on your TV. It's gonna take a moment. Let's wait until it's installed. And once you see the open option right here, that means that you can open your freshly installed app right from here. You can also open it from the home menu. If you go to the apps menu, then navigate to your application. By default, your application will not appear in your favorites. So if you want to add it to your favorites list, you're gonna have to go to the apps menu, then select your application, hold the select button on it, and select add to favorites, and then it will appear right here at the end of your apps list. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.